healthy, we are using the different types of devices. Now, see this single line diagram. Just like your building construction, whenever you take a new or you design a new building, you have to draw a blue line diagram. Similarly, this is the single line diagram for the electrical installation. Whenever you install the single electrical system, you have to draw the single line diagram. So what is included in that? It includes the all the system components from the generating station to the end, up to the end. Okay, from the one generating station to the end. Suppose this is your motor house, so this is your motor, and what equipment are included in that. So it can be denoted with the help of your symbols. So suppose this first one is your generator, second is the transformer. The dotted line rectangle shows the protection for the combined protection for the your transformer and generator. Okay, also the second box, rectangular box, show the protection for your transformer, that circuit breaker, again circuit breaker, and that transformer. Okay, so similarly from for generator to the motor, this is your single line diagram. Now, why the protection is very important, and why we are using the protection, or how we can apply the protection in single line diagram. We can use these protection symbols to draw the single line diagram. ओके, सिंगल लाईन डायग्रामचा पर्पज काय आहे, त्या डायग्रामला ड्रॉ केल्यानंतर यू कॅन exactly plot your system as it is. Okay, so first one is the two winding transformer. These are the symbols for the winding transformer. This is your generator. From the generator to up to the fuse, what is surge arrestor, disconnect, circuit breaker, etc. All these are the protecting symbol. Out of that, we have to learn what is protecting device like CT, PT, circuit breaker, relay. Okay, and then your transformer, these are your switch gear devices. Okay, so first equipment is the transformer. What is transformer? Transformer, it is the simple device which generally transforms the voltage level, that is it can step up or step down the voltage level. So it does not changes its frequency from primary side to the secondary side. Frequency is same. What is the frequency? Frequency is 50 hertz, whereas frequency is 50 hertz, whereas your voltage level can be changed from primary to secondary. Next one is the breaker. What is breaker? Breaker is generally a circuit breaker. Circuit breaker breaks the circuit whenever system comes in a unfaulty region. Now consider the example of single thin wire which is used for the 1 or 0.5 ampere of current. ओके, एक सिंपल वायर है जी 0.5 और 1 एम्पियर ऑफ करंट कैरी करते. सपोज एट द लाइव कंडीशन you break that winding or wire. What will happen? When you break that winding, the spark will get produced at the conductor. Okay, थोड़ा सा spark create होईल. Now consider the same process in your power system. Now what is the voltage of power system? Consider the 11 kV. There is the 11 kV line and fault is occur in the system, and you have to break instantly the circuit. Why you have to break? To protect the entire circuit from the high surge or due to that what is the disturbance. So how you can protect? You can use the circuit breaker. What is the purpose of circuit breaker or function of circuit breaker? It breaks the circuit without harming the entire system or component which is connected near to the circuit breaker. For example, transformer is there. Okay, after the transformer you have connected your circuit breaker, and after the end of transformer on the transmission line at the remote location fault is occur. काय होईल? फॉल्ट आला आहे सिस्टीम मध्ये. फॉल्ट आला म्हणजे काय? लाइटनिंग सर्ज. सपोज लाइटनिंग सर्ज कन्सिडर केला, वीज ज्याला म्हणतात तुम्ही, ती वीज जर पडली, नॉर्मली सिस्टीमचं व्होल्टेज किती आहे? 11 kV. नाउ ड्यू टू दॅट अर्थिंग लाइटनिंग सर्ज व्हॉट हॅपन्स? द व्होल्टेज ऑफ युअर ट्रान्समिशन लाईन एक्सीड्स अप टू द 10 times or 100 times. ओके, जेव्हा ते व्होल्टेज एक्सीड होतात, सो in that condition your equipment are not having that capability to carry that much current. Okay, so what is the purpose of circuit breaker? Whenever it senses that current or there is interrupting current on the train system, it breaks the circuit, and whenever it breaks, the large amount of spark or that we called as a arc is getting produced. Okay, so that arc can be harmful, so that arc should be extinguished within a millisecond. So the method which is used to employed or method which is employed to extinguish that arc called as the arc extinguishing method. For example, I am using a gas or a gas circuit breaker for the particular arc extinguishing, then name of the circuit breaker will be gas circuit breaker. For example, the gas circuit breaker is your SF6 gas circuit breaker, where sulfur hexafluoride gas is used to arc quenching, or it is used as an arc quenching medium. Now normally as earlier I said that example of your 0.5 ampere wire, there is a no arc quenching medium where natural air is sufficient to remove that arc. Okay, the small amount of interruption असेल, स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ करंट असेल, स्मॉल अमाऊंट ऑफ आर्क असेल, तर तिथे काय असेल, तुमचं नॉर्मल एअर जी आहे ती नॅचरल एअर सफिशियंट आहे त्या आर्कला एक्सटिंग्विश करण्यासाठी. बट व्हेनेवर देर इज अ normal air is not sufficient, or the capacity of voltage is getting increased, at the same time you have to change your application, or you have to change your circuit breaker application. For example, you can use SF6 gas circuit breaker, also you can use vacuum circuit breaker. Now air blast circuit breaker, for example, you are using the for the locomotive railways, रेल्वेमध्ये मोटर्सला ब्रेक यूज करण्यासाठी एअर सर्किट ब्रेकर्स यूज केले जातात. व्हॉट इज द पर्पज ऑफ दॅट ब्रेक? तुम्ही कधी साऊंडही एक्सपिरियन्स केला असेल त्याचा. जेव्हा रेल्वे येते आणि प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती, तर प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती रेल्वे येताना तिचा एअर ब्रेक्स जे असतात त्या एअर ब्रेक्सचा एक तुम्हाला हिजिंग नॉईज प्रोड्यूस होतो आणि तो ऐकायला येतो. ओके, म्हणजे एअर ब्रेक्स जे आहेत, एअर ब्रेक्स म्हणजे काय, दॅट ब्रेक it is generally used to control your speed, but same methodology you can use to extinguish the arc. So okay, air blast जे आहेत, air blast circuit breaker, that is forced of natural air is bombarded on your contacts of the circuit breaker and your arc is getting extinguished. So what is your breaker? Breaker is the device to energize the equipment and interrupt the fault current to isolate faulty equipment. Means whenever it is connected in the system is healthy, but whenever we have to disconnect it, what happens, the system considered as the interrupted or faulty system. Next one is the insulator. What is insulator? Insulator is generally on the winding you can see the insulator. What is the purpose of the insulator? It protects that particular material, or that it protects the it protects the short circuit current from the live material. Live material means what? If the copper conductor which is not insulated, it comes in the contact with any other grounding element. Grounding means ज्यातनं करंट फ्लो होणार आहे असा एलिमेंट. So it can easily pass that current, so your short circuit or chances of short circuit may rises. So to avoid that interruption, we can use the insulators. Insulator is what? It is the insulating material which is generally used for the conductor, and it protects the equipment from its ground level or to the phase. Okay, ground or phase means what? Phase and ground. Whenever the insulator, consider the example of your grinder or mixer. What is the grinder? Suppose grinder मध्ये एखादी तुमची कंडक्टर जो आहे त्याची थोडासा इन्सुलेटर ब्रेक असेल, काय होणार आहे? the current starts flowing from the higher potential to the lower potential. Higher potential means what? From your hand to your body, and the lower potential to is like your ground. Ground means तो तुमच्या ग्राउंडमध्ये थ्रू दी बॉडी फ्लो होण्याचं ट्राय करेल. सो टू अवॉइड दॅट वी कॅन इन्सुलेट द मटेरियल प्रॉपरली. Okay, next one is the isolator. Isolator is what? Isolator is generally the device which is used to isolate the system. Isolate is like switches. तुमच्या घरामध्ये तुम्ही स्विचेस यूज करतात. स्विच जर प्रेस केलेलं असेल तर तुम्ही काय कन्सिडर करणार, किंवा स्विच जर ऑन कंडिशनला असेल तर तुम्ही काय कन्सिडर करणार का तुमची जी कंडक्टर आहे तो कंडक्टर आणि एक छोटासा स्विच कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये आलेला असणार आहे. ओके, सेकंडली फॉर द पॉवर ट्रान्समिशनसाठी तुम्ही काय कन्सिडर करणार, नॉट अ सिम्पल सिंगल स्विच, देर इज द लार्ज कंडक्टर or there is a vertical or horizontal arrangement which is always done whenever you want to connect the system. You switch up or you can connect that isolator with the live part and पार्ट. ओके, जो लाईव्ह पार्ट आहे त्या लाईव्ह पार्ट पासून डेड पार्टला तुम्ही बाय युजिंग आयसोलेटर्स कनेक्ट करणार. ओके, now what is given in that? To create a visible and permanent isolation of primary equipment for the maintenance purpose and route power flow over certain buses. Whenever it is connected, your power flow is healthy. Whenever it is disconnected, there is a no power flow. Or whenever you want to maintain the system or take the system into the maintenance, or you have to take the maintenance of your transformer, at the same time you can isolate your isolator switch. Okay, next one is the okay, these are your basic four equipment which is normally used for the protection. I think next one is your bus. What is bus? Bus is generally the feeder. बस म्हणजे काय असतं, एक कंडक्टर आहे, त्या कंडक्टर पासून तुम्ही नंबर ऑफ पाथ प्रोव्हाइड करू शकतात टू द डिफरंट स्टेशन. ओके, दिस इज युअर बस. नेक्स्ट वन इज द grounding. What is the purpose of grounding? Grounding provides or it can maintain the equipment safely with the use of grounding. Grounding काय असतं, घरामध्ये तुम्ही अर्थिंग करतात किंवा ग्राउंडिंग करतात. What is the purpose of grounding? Whenever the equipment is faulty, at the same time the current starts flowing from the higher potential to lower potential. Whenever the grounding is there, it starts flowing through the grounding conductor to the ground. Okay, so the grounding is very important. Next one is arrestor. Arrestor means it is the lightning arrestor. नॉर्मली लाइटनिंग अरेस्टर बस बार्स किंवा ट्रान्समिशन लाईनवरती यूज करतात टू द पर्पज take that surge into the ground. Means if the lightning occurs or a lightning surge is strike on your transmission line, the purpose of arrestor is to collect the current and transfer it to the ground. Okay, हा असतो अरेस्टरचा पर्पज. नेक्स्ट वन इज what is switch gear. Switch gear means what? Generally switch gear, it is all the switching and protecting devices and which is used to control the power flow or entire power system. Okay, next one is reactors. Like your reactance. What is reactance? Reactance is capacitive reactance and inductive reactance, like XL and XC. सर्किटमध्ये रिॲक्टन्स जेवढा कमी असेल तेवढा तुमचा पॉवर फ्लो जास्त असणार, बरोबर आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल एक्सेल अँड एक्सी सर्किटमध्ये नसेल आणि फक्त रेजिस्टन्सच प्रेझेंट असेल तर सर्किटचं नेचर कसं असतं, युनिटी. सिमिलरली reactor or purpose of reactors in the power system is to limit the current. Okay, it limits the current means excessive current जर असेल तर त्याला लिमिट पण करतं and also it can be used in the series and parallel combination. Next very important device is the VT and CT. What is VT and CT? VT and CT is the voltage transformer and current transformer. Voltage transformer also called as the potential transformer. What is the purpose of voltage transformer and potential transformer? Normally in the laboratory you can use the ammeter and voltmeter to measure the current and voltage, okay. But for the power system, if the voltage is 11 kV, you cannot use the exact meter system to read the voltage. Also, whenever the fault is occur on the system like lightning surge, whenever lightning surge is strike on your transmission line, what happens, the voltage or current level exceeds, okay, at the 10 or 100 times. That 100 times voltage cannot be measured by using the particular ammeter or voltmeter. So you can use the voltage transformer to measure the voltage and current transformer to measure the current. For example, where the range of what is the rating of current transformer, it is 100 as to 5, means suppose the primary voltage is 100, primary current is 100 and secondary current is 5. Whenever lightning surge is occur on your primary line, the 100 voltage is getting increased up to the 200, suppose. So proportionally your secondary voltage is current is also getting increased, so it can be increased up to 5 to 10. So that increasing current can be taken into consideration and gives the signal, current transformer gives the signal, or your relay can sense the increasing current of your current transformer within a millisecond. Current transformer constantly read 5 ampere at the secondary side, okay. But current transformer चा जर करंट इंक्रीज झाला थोडा जरी अमाउंट मध्ये तरी रिलेला काय होणार आहे, सेन्सेशन होणार आहे. नाउ व्हॉट इज रिले? रिले इज लाईक अ सेन्सिंग डिवाइस. सेन्सिंग डिवाइस लाईक युअर वॉचमॅन, ओके. तो काय करतो, रिले रिले फक्त सेन्स करणार की व्होल्टेज इंक्रीज झालंय, करंट इंक्रीज झालंय, फॉल्ट आलाय की नाही आलाय, आणि अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट इट प्रोड्यूस द सिग्नल or it generates the alarm signal to to take the remedial action for a particular device. For example, consider करा एक छोटंसं घर आहे, त्या घरामध्ये एक वॉचमॅन आहे, त्यानंतर एक थीप जो आहे तो चोरी करण्यासाठी सपोज आलेला असेल. what is the purpose of watchman or what is the role of that watchman? It should he should notify to his owner that there is a interruption, okay. like in your power system मध्ये काय राहील की रिले काय करतोय, करंट जो आहे हाय व्होल्टेज और हाय अमाउंट ऑफ करंट दॅट इज इंटरप्टिंग करंट, तो एंटर झालाय का सिस्टीम मध्ये, तो चेक करण्याचं काम कोण करेल, रिले. अँड व्हेन एव्हर द हाय व्होल्टेज अँड हाय करंट ऑकर्स, रिले गिव्स द अलार्म और सिग्नल टू द सर्किट ब्रेकर. मग सर्किट ब्रेकर काय करेल, रिमेडियल ॲक्शन घेईल. रिमेडियल ॲक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट, इट ओपन्स इट्स कॉन्टॅक्ट अँड ब्रेक द सर्किट. हे सगळं ऑपरेशन जे आहे ते फक्त मिली सेकंदमध्ये होतं. म्हणजे मिली सेकंदमध्ये फॉल्ट येणार, तो फॉल्ट रिले सेन्स करणार, तो सेन्स झालेला जो सिग्नल आहे तो सर्किट ब्रेकरला मिळणार, सर्किट ब्रेकर लगेच सिस्टीमला ब्रेक करणार, ओके. ब्रेक केल्यानंतर तो फॉल्ट क्लिअर होऊन जातो. फॉल्ट क्लिअर झाला म्हणजे काय, जो काही लाइटनिंग सर्ज आलेला आहे तो काय होईल, ग्राउंडला जाईल, म्हणजे ते तुमची सिस्टीम जी आहे ती परत नॉर्मल कंडिशनला येणार. नॉर्मल कंडिशनला आल्यानंतर पुन्हा कॉन्टॅक्ट सर्किट ब्रेकरचे काय होतील, क्लोज होतील. क्लोज झाल्यानंतर तुमची सिस्टीम जी आहे ती ऑपरेटिंग कंडिशनला येणार, ओके. दिस इज युअर फंक्शन ऑफ सिटी अँड पीटी. व्हॉट इज सिटी अँड पीटी? सिटी काय करतं, करंट रेग्युलेशनचं किंवा करंट मेजरमेंटचं काम करतं. whereas PT काय आहे, VT is your like your voltage transformer that measures your voltage, okay. This is all about your protecting device.